Aloha, friends! So this week we learned about an American hero named Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And on your seesaw assignment today, you were asked to write a sentence all by yourself using one letter to represent each word. And the topic of our sentence is going to be that Dr. King had a dream that everyone could be friends. So I want to know a sentence on how can you be a friend? Can you share? Can you help others? Can you include others? Maybe be kind or nice? Those are all great ways to be a friend. Even so much as smiling at others is being kind and a good friend. So I'm going to show you how to write a sentence. You can't write my sentence though. So on my paper, notice I don't have any lines. If you're using a paper with lines, then you don't need to do this step. But if you don't have any lines like Miss Farrell, I'm going to draw one long line. Now, good writers always start with an uppercase letter. So my sentence is going to be, I can be nice. So let's say that together. Ready? I can be nice. I have 4 words in my sentence. So my very first word is I. And remember, it's the first letter of our sentence. So it needs to be an uppercase or capital I. So I'm going to go ahead and write this on my paper. I. Now the next thing I need to remember is after my word, I need 2 finger space. So I'm actually going to put 2 fingers down. If I was writing at my house, I would go like this, but you wouldn't be able to see me. So I'm just going to use my 2 fingers like this to make sure I have a space. Now, let's say our sentence again. I can be nice. Can. What sound do you hear in can? You might hear a C or you might hear a K. So whichever one you think it is, you would write. So I'm going to write the letter C for can because I know that it's a sight word and I know it starts with the letter C. So I can. If you think you can stretch that word and you want to get k and you want to write the whole word, that's fine. But if you don't know how to do that, then just write the one letter. So again, I'm going to take my 2 fingers and I'm going to put it after my word. I can be is my next word. B. What letter do you think B begins with? Kind of says it in the name. B. So again, I'm going to write my lowercase letter b because only important words have uppercase letters on the line. Now, when I move my fingers, I don't really have a lot of space. So I'm going to draw another line down here and see if that gives me some more space. I'm still writing the same sentence, so even though it's in this spot, I'm still writing the same sentence, so it's going to be a lowercase letter. So let's read. I can be nice. Tell me the first sound in the word nice. What do you think it is? Very good. So I'm going to write the lowercase letter N, and then there's just one last thing I need to do in my sentence. Do you think you know what it is? I'll give you a clue. It goes at the end. Punctuation. I'm going to put a period at the end. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to read to make sure I have all my words. Will you help me? I can be nice. I can't wait to see what you decide to write about how you can be a kind friend. Bye, friends.